It's always on the tip of my tongue. I read an article on the internet, told me that that's how you know you're falling in love. Don't really trust what's on the internet, but maybe just this once. Hate to admit, but it might be true. Hate to admit, but I think you knew. Hate to be lame, but I might love you. It's always on the tip of my tongue, but I stop myself from saying it. Tell myself it's not the right time or something dumb, but then you kiss me like you do, and we're right back where we started from. Hate to admit, but it might be true. Hate to admit, but I think you knew. Hate to be lame, but I might love you. Do I want, do I care enough to say that I love him, that I need him? 'Cause I don't, but I want to feel okay. If I love him, if I need him, maybe that will make him stay. If I lied, I still feel this way. It's always in the back of my mind. Maybe my mistakes are the reason that I made it back to you in time. If I could rewind, would there be some butterfly effect? What if we never met? What if the stars never aligned? Hate to admit, but it might be true. Hate to admit, but I think you